One more view present top 7 best nail drill machines. Let's get started with the list of the best nail drill machines. Number 1. Miss Sweet Portable Nail Drill Machine. Women who travel for days every month have a hard time grooming their nails. They opt to use razor blades and other unorthodox tools, which do more harm than good. For best results, buy a portable nail drill machine such as Miss Sweet. Its 30,000 RPM system is powerful. Whether you have thick or thin nails, a new one will satisfy your needs. The versatility of its components, on the other hand, makes it a suitable nail drill for women of all cadres. Set up well, you can use it to polish both natural and synthetic nails. It is a very convenient device. Number 2. USEEMI Manicure and Pedicure Tools. Do not pay the hefty amounts that most people charge for pedicures and manicures in salons. With the help of a premium drill such as USEEMI, you can easily handle such jobs at homes with excellent results. What makes this machine special? First, you will love its powerful system, 30,000 RPM. It handles light and heavy manicure and pedicure jobs well. Using its 6-piece bit kit, you can polish, shape, or shave your nails at home easily. Ideal for traveling, USEEMI is a portable device with a dependable rechargeable design. Its inbuilt battery has an admirable runtime of around 4.5 hours. Its compact and light design also comes in handy whenever you are grooming your nails. Number 3. Mockart JD855 Nail Drill Machine. Are you tired of paying hefty amounts of money to get your nails groomed? To look stunning on a day-to-day basis, add Mockart JD855 to your grooming accessories. The high-speed bearings in this handheld device reach speeds of up to 30,000 RPM. As such, devoid of the type of nail you have, you can trim and polish them fast and safely. This tool is also perfect for grinding and sculpting nails during your long trips. Packed in its travel case, you can transport it easily. Its high-capacity battery, 5 hours, is also suitable. Mockart JD855 is a quality-assured product. Number 4. CAD-RIM Electric Nail Drill. You do not have to hire a celebrity stylist to have well-groomed nails. Moreover, you do not have to spend hours in salons every day to look stunning. Look for CAD-RIM. This simple-looking electric drill is surprisingly powerful. It cuts, grinds, and polishes natural and synthetic nails like butter. To do a good job on such nails, you need a quality electric drill such as CAD-RIM. Its multi-speed design, adjustable, satisfies the needs of most people. It is also quiet, durable, and attainable with all nail care accessories. These include sanding bands and steel bits. Number 5. Utilize 10-in-1 Professional Electric Manicure. With Utilize, you get a reputable 10-speed nail drill machine, which smooths, buffs, and shines nails in seconds. Moreover, because of its innovative touch controls, its ease of use stands out. The pedicure and manicure tools you get do not need a lot of skill to use well. They are also durable and, most importantly, safe for grooming all types of nails. While preparing for a party, you will appreciate having a new set at home. The quality of the components of this nail drill machine is admirable. You also get a detachable LED light for illuminating your nails as you groom. Number 6. Viewer 24-piece Professional Manicure and Pedicure Nail Drill Kit. Professional nail drill machines are in high demand from everyday Janes. With a new set, you will get a 10-attachment kit for grooming fingers and toes. Its salon-quality components are durable. The single-use sandpapers on offer, for instance, are suitable for grooming natural nails. Its sapphire bits, on the other hand, are durable. You do not have to be a professional saloon to handle this electric drill well. It fits comfortably in hand. Number 7. Mockart Professional Manicure Drill Machine. Mockart JD700 is a professional-grade nail drill machine with a powerful yet low-noise motor. Recommended for grooming both hard and natural nails, its efficiency is notable. It is also safe, CE certified, and has high-quality bits, Japanese steel, that last for a long. In minutes, you will shave, shape, and polish your nails without irritation. Using its acrylic nail grinder, you can groom your dog/cat's nails with good results. This is a quality, assured product. Unlike some nail drill machines that disappoint people over time, this one delivers memorable results. You can adjust its speed to 30,000 RPM with the touch of a button. It also comes with a durable foot pedal for easier control.
Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.